What's going on, everyone? I'm gonna give you an update on gold. I'm gonna go over the previous trades and why I took them, the ones I sent out in the Telegram group chat for free, and then I'm gonna show you what I expect gold to do for the rest of the year. I do think we're gonna hit all-time highs, but let's go ahead and backtrack some of the trades we've been doing. Let me bring up gold here. Just trading oil this morning. Okay, gold. All right, so you can see all these purple lines. This is basically back from, what is this, November 21st? November 15th. Okay. So back over here, November 15th, you can see. Let's go look into this trade. You can clearly see I was just looking for a breakout above this little stutter candle here. And then I told the chat, if price closed above 1962.4 to look for buys. Okay. So let's go down in here. And that was right in here. Go lower time frame real quick. What time is it? That was a 15-minute. Okay. So you can see there's that stutter candle that I had highlighted right here. And price went up. It definitely closed above, right? We're going back to that tattoo. Sorry. If you want to look at some tattoos, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. But so price closed above 1962.4, clearly right. And then it comes back down, and this was our buy entry here. And then you can see price rallied pretty high there. Go ahead and take a look. Okay, so pretty solid right away. I'm not going to count this because maybe we would have closed in there. You'll see later in the chat where I was saying take some profit, but let's just say 250, 260 pip rally right there in one day. And then let's go down further so you can see that's exactly what happened. Okay, and then here's another little before, after, and then here's an AU trade I was taking, made risk free. I will be posting sports bets in here, mostly just UFC fights. So if y'all like to sports bet, go ahead and join this free Telegram as well. Okay, so you can see here we're floating profits, 90 pips. And I said next buy, 1975.75. You can see price came down and wicked it. You see this 1975.75, wicked it there, wicked it here, and rallied. Unfortunately, the spread did not trigger our trade, so ignore that one. As we keep going, you can see we're still floating in some nice profits, and then by the end of the day, we were up really nice. Everything had played out was perfect, straight to that target. As you can see, this is what we were looking for, that 1975 area to push up into the purple box. And that is what we did. Okay, so again, some more profits. And this is, I'm calling all this. You can look at the times. I'm just sending these out. Some more profits there. I closed all positions, gonna wait for another entry. Okay, and then we called out November 21st, gold swing trade, buy limit 1992. So you can see that's where we are right here. Now this trade is a little bit different, wasn't an institutional setup. I simply took this off of some divergence and imbalances. So if you see this right here, lower low, right? So we got those lower lows here. But then we look at our indicators here. Yes, I use some indicators here and there for some confluence. You can see if we look at this low here, go straight down, we have this big shark fin outside of the Bollinger Bands, and we make some divergence, right? So higher low, lower low, lower low. Okay, we can go down to the RSI as well. Here's your low. We're looking at this one here. Again, the shark fin, and then you see this big, low here, higher low there. So we obviously have divergence, right? So that's where I started looking for some entries. And then this down candle here bullish engulfing. This is where I ended up taking some buys right in there, just kind of range. This was starting to get into the holiday week and eventually did rally up. So you can see I said to make it break even. I believe it did hit the order at break even, somewhere in here ranging. And then let's see, close some profits. And then we ended up buying again. There's some more trades. This is gonna be my new Instagram. If y'all want to give that a follow, this is where I'll actually be posting this video as well. Let's start posting again. Okay, so we have gold floating and profit. So this was the same entry here. So you can see the 1992. Okay, so I guess we didn't get stopped out. Maybe I just left it riding. I thought I got stopped out in profit, but I think I just closed those positions you saw and then let it ride. But you can see big move here again. Okay, that was this here, this big move coming up. It finally took off. Alrighty. Okay, and then now these are my new trades. So those were all the old trades. Here is the trade I missed this morning, actually last night, but down move through all the lows, right? See all these lows. I wanted to buy down here. I thought this would start ranging and spike down and take a buy here at 2004. You can see that's what I had right here, 2004, right? Price ended up moving higher. So then I put this new buy limit at 2010.75, which is this one here. Okay, so I still have this one pending, and this is the trade we missed, unfortunately. But we see all these lows here, equal lows. They just rated those and moved up. There's still some imbalance that needs to be filled. Right in here, right under all those lows. I think we could see a spike down again, down candle through all these lows, grabbing that liquidity, bullish engulfing. And then again, we have some imbalance in here. Price should range, hopefully, and then spike down and maybe give us a nice entry. So maybe something like this, maybe we just kind of range. And then we get a big spike down and then continue up. Overall, I think price of gold will be probably around 2050, 2080 by February. I think we will be breaking all-time highs on gold. So what I'm going to do actually is go ahead and put in some buy limits as well, just so I can take this trade with you guys. I am trading on the NVFX servers. Those of you that followed me know that I was trading on Prosperity for a very long time. They did get acquired and merged with Envy. I know some people may be having a little bit of issues logging in, but all of your trade info should be the same. You should literally just go to the new server on Envy, log in, and access your trading account. You can see here we're on the NVFX Real. It should be pretty easy. If you have any issues, reach out to claims@prosperityforex.com. But other than that, let's go ahead and open some orders. Okay, so you can see this is the imbalance here. Let's go ahead and do that real quick so we know what we're looking at. So if this imbalance was to fill, that would be 2004.3. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2004.5. We're gonna go to pending order. We're on gold. Let's go ahead and just drop one lot so we can track these trades. I will do an update video at the end of the week, see where we're at. But as of now, let's just do some standard lot buys. 2004, we're gonna do 2004.5. Okay. Stop loss, it would be below this low right here. That would be 2001.7. It's going to change these colors. Come on. Go. Let's do red for stop loss. Guess that's red enough. And we're gonna do 2001.75 for our stop. 2001.75. Take profit. Let's go ahead and take profit at this high for this trade. Let's do 2028.5. We already have some swing positions open, so let's go ahead and just do this one. Okay, so you can see that is our trade now. And then let's go ahead and add one at our other possible entry at 2015.75. Change the color. Again, I'm gonna do a video at the end of the week reviewing how gold has went since this video, so stay tuned for that. I will be posting it on Stoic Day Trader Instagram as well as my Proficient FX YouTube channel, and then I will be posting everything in the free Telegram as well. Okay, let's give that to this. Do lime green. All right, 2015.75 for the buy. It's kind of hard to see that color. Stop loss. We're gonna go below the low. And let's just do 2011.25. Make it red. And let's make this purple. All right, now let's go ahead and enter the trade. $2015.75. Stop loss 2011.25. And take profit. I'm gonna leave open on this. I'm gonna continue to swing trade these. So those are the two trades I'm looking at. Again, I think gold is going to break all-time highs throughout the rest of this year, or maybe by February, look around gold to be at 2050, 2080. Again, I will be posting more videos on YouTube again. I rebranded Proficient FX a little bit to Stoic. I do like the meaning behind stoicism and being stoic. So that is going to be the new moves. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will be dropping more education and content, so stay tuned.